slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I go roast, I get gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel.
Ayan, na-install na natin yung ating lower sink cabinet. Ayan. 4 door, 1, 2, 3, 4. Apat na pinto, tapos sa gitna, drawer. Ayan, 2 drawer. So, yung ating ano dyan, drawer guide ay heavy duty, soft close. Ayan. Soft close yan mga boss. Ayan, heavy duty. Na soft close na with bearing. So, ito yung ating mga pinto. 2 panel. Tapos dito, 2 panel din. Tapos yung isang pinto, nilagyan natin ng screen para makalabas yung ano ng gas. Hindi pwede kasi makulong yan, kaya nilagyan natin ng screen. So ayan yung outcome ng ginawa natin. Yan, sa gusto mong pagawa yan, message lang kayo dyan sa comment section. Bigyan nyo sa akin yung sukat. Bibigyan natin kayo ng quotation. Ayun lang mga boss. Sharing is care.